Introducing ContiConnect Live, Continental's cloud-based real-time fleet monitoring solution. As you know, we already have a great solution for yard or depot-based fleets, the ContiConnect Yard Reader. But with ContiConnect Live, you can monitor tires anytime, anywhere, even while vehicles are out on the road. So if a fleet manager is sitting at his desk in New York, he can see the status of a trailer tire in San Antonio. ContiConnect Live utilizes an Android mobile device to send data to the ContiConnect portal. When users log in, they can view the temperature and tire pressure status of all wheel positions of the entire fleet, no matter the location. This allows issues to be addressed immediately, without waiting for the vehicle to return to the yard. And just like with the yard reader, alert notifications can be sent by text and email to any desired recipients.
ContiConnect Live utilizes a Bluetooth dongle mounted in the cab of the truck, a central control unit, and an Android device. When the Bluetooth dongle is paired to a mobile device, the driver can instantly see alerts that appear on the tablet through the bird's eye view, as well as fleet owners can see these alerts through the ContiConnect web portal. Let's see what happens when an alert is triggered.
When logged into ContiConnect, you will see the details of each alert, including tire position with the bird view and vehicle position through Google Maps, so you know exactly how to react. Even when not logged into ContiConnect, you'll be aware of TPMS alerts through SMS and email notification.
ContiConnect Live is the perfect solution for long-haul and over-the-road fleets, seamlessly allowing you to monitor married and drop and hook trailer configurations.
If you're a current Conti Pressure Check customer, you can also benefit from this system with a simple update, adding the Bluetooth dongle and an Android device.
Tire pressure management is the key to increase fuel efficiency, improve tire runout, and reduce roadside breakdowns. For a long-haul customer, the new ContiConnect Live is the best solution. That way they can receive real-time tire pressure data anywhere, anytime.
For more information about our ContiConnect Live and other digital solutions, visit our website at continental-truck.com.